Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to enable the Discord developer mode. So as you can see, we're currently on Discord right now, and just click on the user settings here on the lower left corner of your screen, and just scroll down a little here, and below or under the app settings, click on advanced. After that, you will see these options. So here's a developer mode. So developer mode exposes context menu items, helpful for people writing bots using the Discord API. So just click on it, and you'll see this pop out, the application test mode. So here, the developer mode makes you so the servers can have like their own IDs. So if I copy that and paste it here, and that's the ID of the text channel general here. And also messages can have their ID, let's say a random message like that. And you can just right click on that message. You could also copy the message ID, click, and that's the message ID. So the developer mode really helps out a lot for advanced users out there. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.